Hello everybody, quick tumbler update. There are a few fry in there. There's only 8. From what I've seen, I guess peacocks really don't have a lot of fry when they spawn. Of course I could be wrong, but yeah, we have 8 little fry in there bouncing around, and they grow fast. It's amazing. Most of these eggs didn't even have tails a day and a half ago. So, little baby's starting to form. Now I have a refugium coming that I'll probably put these guys in once they start swimming around. Excuse me. So I really don't have room to set up a grow out tank. That's my only problem. It's the only thing I'm worried about. I may put a 5-gallon tank or something underneath this fish tank with a sponge filter in it to grow these guys out until they're big enough to join the community. Or I may just trade them in at the local pet store. Just really depends. I'm undecided. But yeah, there they are. They're starting to get wiggly, starting to fidget around a little bit. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give me a like if you like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.